Drivers who have a window stuck open worry about possible rain or the chill. It's a frequent annoyance that many people experience occasionally. Only one direction can be moved because of different types of failures in the mechanisms that allow for up and down movement. Let's examine the most typical reasons why a window won't roll up, how to resolve each one, and how to manually roll the window up until the issue is resolved. It's Max the Car Guy. Subscribe and let's get started. No circuit power. A power window assembly needs to be given enough power in order to function. This power comes from the battery of the car and is almost always passed via a relay in addition to a fuse or circuit breaker. There is no way to raise or lower a window with switch manipulation if this circuit's power is cut off. Power must first reach a window switch in order for it to distribute it downstream to the waiting window motor. A reliable test light will be needed to troubleshoot a window circuit power loss issue. After removing the matching door panel, make sure the inlet side of your car's window switch is receiving power. Find the fuse that this power supply is directed through if your test light does not illuminate. In rare circumstances, a single circuit will power every window. Nonetheless, the majority of automobiles distribute power among multiple circuits. The driver side and passenger side windows of a car are frequently fused separately from the rear windows. Often, there will be a blown fuse or tripped circuit breaker. This is frequently the result of old window motors that have started to consume excessive amounts of current when they are operating. Defective window motor. A power window motor will occasionally malfunction. This is usually the result of internal circuit deterioration. This will probably result in your window not working in either direction, which will leave you in a difficult situation. A window motor that is noisy or operates slowly can frequently be a good sign of the general health of the unit. A window motor should be taken into suspicion if it runs slowly even though it is fully powered and properly grounded. Fortunately, diagnosing a failed power window motor is not too difficult. Take off the interior panel from your door to start this process. Next, find the electrical pigtail connected to the window motor that is causing the problem. While depressing your window switch, disconnect the related plug and make sure there is power and ground present on the harness side of this connection. Your power window motor needs to be replaced if both ground and power are present. The degree of difficulty varies depending on the type and model of car. Defective window switch. The system's window switch is another frequent source of power window circuit failures. Internal switch contacts corrode over time, making it impossible to establish continuity when the switch is manipulated. A considerable portion of power window system failures are caused by faulty switches. Replacement is not suggested, though, until this condition can be confirmed. It is necessary to remove the switch unit from the matching door panel in order to try to diagnose a malfunctioning window switch. To get a diagnosis, a test light or multimeter will also be needed. Make sure your window switch is getting power from the outside source first. If your test light is properly grounded, it should light up when power is detected. Alternatively, a multimeter should be used to record 12+ volts on the circuit supply voltage wire. When checking for outlet switch power, repeat this procedure with the switch depressed if incoming power is detected. Your window switch needs to be replaced if no power is seen leaving the outlet side. Nonetheless, additional testing will be required at the system's window motor connection point if outlet power is detected. Damaged window regulator. Age-related problems with regulator units are similar to those with window motors. The mechanical parts of a regulator wear down with time and frequently cause irreversible damage. In any case, it's usually not too difficult to identify a malfunctioning window regulator. A broken window regulator is almost certainly to blame if your car window won't stay up, appears to be canted to one side, or has fallen into its frame. Visual inspection is the method used to diagnose a malfunctioning window regulator. You can see this unit fairly clearly by taking off your interior door panel. Look for evidence of wear and tear on the window clamps, cables, mounts, and pivot points of the regulator. It is recommended to replace any irregularities that are found. Depending on the exact model of car that needs to be fixed, replacing a window regulator can range greatly in difficulty. There are two possible outcomes for this process. It can be very laborious or very easy. Always get a professional opinion when in doubt. How to get a power window up manually. It seems like mechanical problems, including those with your power window system, always arise at the worst possible time. In the event that you are traveling and are unable to get your window back to the closed position, follow these steps to make the necessary corrections. Remove door panel. Take out the interior door panel from your car first. Disable window motor. Tuck the matching plug safely out of the way and disconnect the power supply to your power window motor. Disconnect regulator from window. At this point, remove all fasteners connecting the regulator to the window. Raise window by hand. Gently raise the window pane into an upright position by placing a palm on each side of the window. Block window in place. At this point, insert 1 or 2 wooden blocks into the inner door compartment to shim the window into place. Reinstall door panel. Lastly, put the door panel back in your car, making sure all of the fasteners are securely fastened. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.